Welcome to Dark Horse Auto and Diesel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the entire mirror assembly on a 2007 to 2014 Ford Edge. It's a very simple job, and the only tool you really need is an 11mm socket. A little plastic pry bar would help for this part, but you don't really need it. Just get behind this piece here, pop it off, unhook your wire. That's not really supposed to come off of there, but if it does, no big deal because you're replacing the whole thing anyway. Then there's 3 nuts that hold it on. Those 3 right there, you'll take those off. A 7/16 works for these as well. Then just grab a hold of the bottom of the mirror, kind of wiggle it around a little bit, and then pick up on it and kind of bring it down, because there's that little tab right there that's actually an assembly aid, and obviously the thing's removed. And reinstallation is obviously reverse of what we just did, but a little trick: use that little tab to your advantage, get it kind of locked up in there, and then it'll hold itself up while you get your nuts started. And a little tip to getting this little piece put back on here: the door panel kind of is in the way, but obviously we don't need to remove it. So what you do, just get the top kind of lined up. You can see there's a pin in there, and get that kind of snapped in there. And then you just kind of got to work this piece over a little bit, kind of twist it, and you'll feel it kind of pop into the hole. And then just push it and give it a whack, and you're good to go.